In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to reset the oil life indicator on a 2020 Ford Escape. Pretty simple process once you know what you're doing. It's going to start with pressing the menu button on the steering wheel here. I have the car on. When I press the menu, it's going to pop up on the screen, the main menu there. I'm going to press the down button several times until you get to settings. Then I'm going to push in on the OK here. That's going to get us into the settings. The only setting I have on here is oil life, so I'm going to press on that. And then once we have the oil life pulled up, you're going to push and hold OK to reset the oil life. Now if I go back into oil life, you'll notice that it's back to 100%. And then I'm just going to hit back several times to get it back to the regular display. That's all there is to it. Pretty simple process. If you thought this video was helpful, please give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.